Hello student, today I will discuss geometry of complex number part 3, in which I will start the lecture by the area of the triangle in the complex plane. Like if we have 3 points in the complex plane and we are given a triangle with this 3 points like Z1, Z2 and Z3. Then area will be a mod of a determinant of this number, of this complex number, like it will be 1 by 4i, and the determinant of z1 bar 1, z2 bar 1, z3 bar 1, and this is determinant, and this divide this determinant by 1 by 4i and take a modulus of it. This is the area of the triangle. This is nothing but area of triangle of coordinate z1, z2, z3. Now I will discuss important assertion in complex number. That is and we have know that what is the section formula. Like if we have two number in complex plane like z1 and z2, and we have another point z3 in between them, and dividing this z1 z2 segment by a:b ratio, then we can write z3 as z1 into b plus z2 into a by a plus b. So taking this a plus b in with z3, we can get z1 into b plus z2 into a minus a plus b into z3 is equals to 0, and we can take minus a plus b. So take minus a plus b is equals to c. So we get from like z1 b plus z2a plus c z3 is equals to 0, and it is clearly visible that b plus a plus c is nothing but b plus a minus a plus b is equals to 0. And b, a and minus a plus b all not simultaneously 0. Then it is very clear that the complex number z1, z2, z3 are collinear, or they lie in the same plane. So what is the conclusion of this? Like if we have three complex number like z1, z2 and z3, we have three complex number, and if we have a condition like we can multiply a scalar with this z1, z2 and z3, like a into z1 plus b into z2 plus c into z3 is equals to 0, and a plus b plus c is equals to 0, but a, b, c not simultaneously 0, then z1, z2 Z3 are collinear or they lie in a same straight line. Okay, and this is nothing but a conclusion. Okay, this is a very important conclusion, or you can say properties of complex number, or not only complex number, you can find this complex number. Okay, this collinearity of 3 point in a real line also. Okay, so and from this we can have on another form of complex straight line in complex number, like if we have 2 point. Okay, if we have 2 point Z1 and Z2, then the equation of this straight line also be, okay, so equation of straight line will be mod of, not mod, it is a determinant. Okay, determinant of Z minus Z1, Z minus Z1, or mod Z minus mod Z1, and Z2 minus Z1 and Z2 bar minus Z1 bar is equals to 0. And you can also simplify this it also like this manner. It is a 2 by 2 cross matrix. If we transform it into 3 by 3 matrix or determinant, then it will be Z bar 1, Z1 bar 1, Z2 bar 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so the equation will be this or this. Okay, this or this. Okay, so thank you.